Just a moment, Shafia, let me call the rest. Where's the rest? Just a moment. Okay, Neris is here. Where is it? Just hold on. Just give me a moment, okay? I'm going to call the rest for a while. Just give me a moment, okay? Who's not here somehow? Who else? Oh yeah, Mara.
So,
Just one minute. Okay, anyone else? One, two. Ow! Neris, that's painful, Neris. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me see who else. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, just a moment. One last minute. One second. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We're going to start with practice papers. This is just to revise the earlier works, which I think we have missed quite a number of lessons. So we will start revision. Okay, just some revision, and then maybe we'll catch up with other stuff. Okay, can we? Okay, can we try question 1 and 2, please? Question 1 and 2. Hello, Kashran. Putra. Hello, Putra. Okay, come. You're trying question 1 and 2, please. Hello. Okay. Come, we try question. Send your answers to the chat. Okay, we try. Okay, let's see now. No one has answered. Come, let's try. Now, Sudhakar is only. What happened to? Okay. Whose is this? All right. And it is not correct, Mr. Putra. Try again, but don't guess lah. Try to do some working. Okay, Neris, you try. So 44,710. Shafia also not correct. So I think Neris is the only one. Putra, yes, well done. You finally got it. Okay, how to do this question? Neris, you want to try, Neris? Down here now, 44,000, right? 44,000 has 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 7 tenths is what? 10 got 1 zero, so 70 down here. Shafia, not 7 ones, no. Then you add them, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0. Okay, we move on to the next one, please. The next one, here we go. So the answer is number 3, 44070. To the nearest 100. You got to find out what's the nearest 100 first. Where is the nearest 100? What is the nearest 100? Cannot. Shafia, you must identify the nearest hundred. The nearest hundred. Which one is in a hundredth place? Okay, I won't give you the answer. I'm just going to write down the clues here. You have 2, 5, 7, 8, 4. Now, always down here is ones. Down here is tens. Down here is hundreds. So we are looking at this line on here. When you look down here, you must always remember to look at the next figure now. Let us see whether Putra has got it correct. Well done, Putra, for number 2. And you also have given number 3, yeah? What about Shafia? Come on, Shafia and Neris, come on, try. Putra, let me see.
How is it?
Wait, let me. Your answer, okay. Your answer for number 3 is not correct. Number 2 is correct. Number 3 is not correct.
No, I didn't do number 3.
Oh, you gave 2 times the answer for number 2. Okay, answer for number 2 is correct. Okay, number 3 not yet. So Neris and Shafia, see, you look, this is in the hundreds place, right? So now look at the number beside it, which is what? Which is the number 8. If this number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down here you must plus 1. So you have to plus 1 because number 8 what? So it becomes 2, 5, 8. Well done, Shafia. 0, 0. The other numbers will be 0, but you have to plus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. All right, come. We move on to the next one. Yeah. Okay, next one very easy lah. What is 1.4 less than 5.79? Come on. Chop. All right, well done, Putra. What about the rest? Neris, you can try this very, very easy. Come on. You take 5.79 minus 1.4. Put a 1 down here, 4 down here, then you minus. So what do you get? You minus down here, get 9 because there's nothing here. 7 minus 4, 3. Put the dot here because it must be aligned. 5 minus 4, minus 1 is 4. 4.39. Come on, Shafia, you can do this, Shafia. It's easy, you know. Okay, you must be able to do all this. Let's see now. Now this one. Arrange from smallest to greatest. Which one is the smallest? And it goes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, just like snowball. A snowball that grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Well done, Putra. Hey, which one, Putra? Okay.
Huh?
What's your answer?
One.
1. Okay, let's see. What about Nerish?
Correct or not?
Wait, okay, so all right. So let us see. Who is correct? Some say 1, some say 2. There's one answer 4. This is 27. This is 2027. Imagine there's no dot. 2072, 2207, 2702. Yeah, this is from small to big. See down here, 72, then become 207, then become 27. Then become 702. Hey, confused, doesn't confuse. See, from 72 becomes 207, then go down to 27. Cannot be. All right. So this is number 1 is correct. Okay, we move on to the next one. This one, yeah. Go. Go, please. Please go, Mary. Carry on, Mary. Putra and Shafia, you must master this. You must get like almost full marks, okay? Because this is coming forward. Okay, well done. Well done. Okay, just to highlight, yeah. So when you see two zeros here, 100, you must put two blanks after the dot. Then fill up the numbers. So this, put the last digit and the last one, then it's 5. If let's say down here there's 2, this 2 goes here. But there isn't 2, right? There's no 2. In fact, it's blank now, you put a 0. Then you say, Vishan, you check now, 5 out, you can add a 0, no problem. You can add many zeros as you want. So you're correct. Both of you got number 3. Well done. Well done. I think both of you, inshallah, will be showing some improvement. Okay, we try the next one now, number 6. Need Shafia, try again. You must, Shafia, you must change it to over 100. Change this to over 100 first. After that, then you reduce, then change it to here. Your answer is for this one, Shafia. Your answer is for this one below here. Then you reduce. You can do this, both of you can do it. I believe in you. So why must you tell us that? Yeah. You must believe in yourself. Come on. You know, do. It's easy. It's easy. Come on. Change to this form first. Very simple. Very simple. This one. This, remember, 2 zeros, right? There's 2 zeros here. Correct. Well done. Put a 16 on here. Now you got to reduce. How did 100 become 50? You divide by what? Oh, I divide by 2 lah. So 16 must divide by 2, so you get 8. The answer is number 4. I hope you get it. You get it, Putra and Shafia. You change this one now first to base of 100. Why? Because there's 2 places after the dot, so 2 zeros. Then, how did 100 become 50? You must divide by 2, so you divide by 2. Okay. Hold on. You go on to the next one. Okay. How much of the figure, there's 12 squares in total. How much of the figure is shaded? You got to bring it to lowest terms, I believe. Come on. A little bit too slow. You need to write how many shaded right on top here. How many squares all together right here? Some total. Some shaded. You're right. Cannot be 1 lah. Okay, we count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 squares. So we write 9 on top lah. Below, altogether how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In fact, they tell you down here there's 12. What over 12? Reduce to lowest terms. Divide. What do you get? Divide by what? Divide by 3 lah. 9 divided by 3. What? Answer is 4. 3 over 4. So these are basic stuff you should be able to get it. You can hear whatever screaming is happening in your house, Putra. Okay, come, we try. No. This one is number 10. This. Come. Let's try this question. Okay, Putra says that. Let's see. Well done, Putra. Okay, so this one now we try. Now here, what to do? Shafia, you know what to do? 7 times 9, you get 63. Then plus the 5. Okay, 7 times 9 is 63 plus the 5. So you get 68. Okay, I hope you know how to do this. Okay, this one now. What's the length of AB? Okay, you got to think. You got to think very carefully. The area of one shared triangle on here is 50 square meters. They want you to find what is AB. Clue. This is a square. Length times breadth. Length is the same as breadth. To find areas, length times breadth. Clue, you can put this down here, become a square. Make it into a big square. Then find the number. What times what equals to? Or you can find a small square here. You can find. Cannot. Well done, Putra. Well done. Okay, so down here now, okay, you can just, you know, right, that one triangle is 50. They tell you this one is 50, you know. So this one also is 50, yeah? 50 plus 50 is 100. So imagine you have a square down here. Oh, the square down here. 100 now. What times what equals 100? Is 10 times 10. Good try, Neris. 10 times you got the answer 10. This one is also 10. They want AB, yeah? So you found part of Neris. You must times by 2, 10 plus 10. Then you get 20. Okay? Not bad, eh? Not bad. Not bad. Okay, we move on to the next one. You get slightly and slightly more tough. Okay, but never mind. We might not be going through this. We are going to go through paper 2 now. This one. Cannot use calculator. Huh? They want you to find what is 6 divided by 7. So, in other words, it's 6 over 7. 6 divided by 7 is 6 over 7, which means division 6 inside, 7 outside. You got to do long division and find out what is 6 divided by 7 up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's see whether you're right. Well done. Good job, well done. That's great, that's great, that's great. What about Shafia and Neris? 6 here, divide by 7. 6 cannot divide by 7, put a 0. Then how? How to divide? Put a dot down here. Once you put down here, you can put a million zeros. But don't put a million zeros because you don't need a million zeros. So down here also must put a dot. 60, what number? 7 times 7 times what equals to 56? 7 times 8. Then you minus, you get 4. Okay, you bring down the 0. 7 times what equals 40? When you have a number 35, you can put a 5 down here. Now you don't need to do all because this will never end. Put 5 down here, bring down the 0 again. 50 down here, you can get 49. Okay, you can stop here. Why? You don't need to go all the way. Why? You want to find only 2 decimal places. To do 2 decimal places, you must remember you need 1 more. This is 2 decimal places. 1, 2. You must look at the next number. So you don't need to find out all the rest down here. Just look until 3 decimal places. So if I ask you 2 decimal places, you do until 3 and then you convert. Then plus 1. Putra say plus 1 is 7. You must plus 1. Becomes 0.86. Well done. 0.86. Well done. Why? Because there's a 7 there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You must plus 1. Well done. Okay, you try now. What is the remainder when 1276 is divided by 6? Okay, try that. Simple one. Simple one. Shafia, you must be able to do that, Shafia. Tired, Shafia? No. Are you sad or something? You look very sad today. Why? Shafika disturb you. Shafika beat you, Huh? Oh, she's looking at Shafika now. You cannot have 6 as the remainder because there's one whole one. If the remainder is 6, 6 can divide by 6. What? They're asking you for the remainder. It cannot be 6. Because 6 can divide by 6, you get 1. Putra, that means your calculation, there's an error. Putra. Try now. What about Shafia? Can do now, Shafia? I think timetable is your challenge. 1276. So now we divide by 6. 1 cannot divide. We can put a 0, but no need also because there's no decimal place yet. 12 can. You get 2. You get 2. Yeah? You minus is 0. No? Bring down the 7. 7 can divide by 6 only. No, 6 can divide by 6. Sorry? You get 1. Bring down the 6 now. Now, 6 times table. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. Cannot be 18, must be 12. So you minus, you get 4. Your remainder is 4. Hold on, your remainder is 4. I hope you'll get it. 212, remainder 4. Okay. Can, huh? Yeah, okay. So, Shafia, for you, not 210. 212, Shafia. But you don't need to write the 212 because they only ask you what is the remainder. So, don't need to write 212R. Just write 4 sahaja. Okay. All right. They're asking you what are the factors of 81. Factors means what? 81 can be divided by 1. 81 can be divided by 9. There are some other numbers that 81 can be divided by. What are they? Clue, ask yourself, what can 9 be divided by? Down there, you get the answer for one of the other numbers. Then 81 can divide by that number. See, 81, 9 can divide by 1, yeah, correct. 9 can be divided by 9, correct. 9 can also be divided by another number. That number is the number 81 can be divided by also. And then you take 81 to divide by that number, you get the next number. So 9 can divide by what? 9 can divide by 1. Some more. 9 can divide by 9. Some more. 9 can divide by 3. You try, take 81, divide by 3. Does it work or not? You go and do this now. You try to divide. If you can, this answer and the top answer is also divisible by 9, by 81. Okay. Okay, 3 is correct. Can divide by 3. So what do you get when you divide by 3? So 6. You get 2, right?
27.
Minus 27. So 27 can also divide by 81. How do we know? Because 27 times 3 is equals to 81. When you write like that, it means both numbers can divide, 3 can divide, 27 can divide. So these are the two numbers, 3 and 27. So look at the clue. When they tell you this one is also divisible, you find the number. What other number can be divided by 9? You will get your answer. Okay, let's move on. Down here now. 32 over 60. I want you to write as a mixed number in simplest form. Well done. Well done. Well done. Let me just double check. Well done, Mr. Putra. Oh, say well done, dia gini, oh. Shabia, come on, Shabia. You see, I don't know how to do this. What you can do is you can straight away divide. If you want, divide by 2 first. You can reduce first. Divide by 2, how much you get? This one you get 3. This one you get 16. So you get 16 divided by 3 lah. You get 5. Down here you get 15, right? Remainder 1. 5 whole. 1 remainder out of 3. Okay. All right, now. Okay, let's see now. This one now. Okay, think carefully, okay? The table below, this is called a table. Table means you have labels and then it tell you the numbers. It's not just a table that we are on. They want you to know, find out what's the number of students chose football. You should know what. Because they give you the total. Did they give you the total number? Yeah, the total is here. You can find out what it is. And you can also find out the next one. Down here. Okay, you try. Okay, not? You can do mentally, great. My suggestion is add all of them up, then minus one shot. Don't minus 43, minus 18, 40, then a minus 8. Add all of these, and then 43 minus the answer. Because football is the only one is not in. So if you all know how to add, that's great. You don't know. Okay, now football not given one. Football down here they do not know what. So add all them. All together when you add all of this is 43. So what is this? Okay, we add this one. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 7, 37. So 37 must plus what to give 43? 37 must plus what give you 43? That's what they're saying. Your question is like that now. Plus what? 43. Come on, come on.
I know.
Okay, good. Well done, Putra. Now this one, next one. Which sport is double of swimming? The number of pupils is double of swimming. That's what they're asking. Okay, you must get used to the type of questioning. So, Shafia, what's the answer? 37 plus what equals to 43? If you don't know 43 minus 37, and the answer, according to Putra, is 6. All right, 6. Now, the next one they're asking now, which of these is the popularity is double of swimming? So, look at swimming and double it. Look at swimming and double it. Which one has the same number? Swimming. Swimming is here, right? 4. Double this. Which one has the same as the double? Yes, badminton. 4 times 2, 8. Badminton. So don't be afraid of the questions, okay? Sometimes the questioning in Singapore is a little bit complex. Okay, but you're born here, so it's a little bit tougher. Okay, now we try this one. They say this is a rectangle, be careful. They didn't say it's a square. Oh, but never mind, doesn't mean. It's still the same. It's still the same. You can find the answer very quickly. Very quickly. Offer. Come on, Shafia. Come on. What are you doing, Shafia? Shafia, can I call you Fia? Anyone call you Fia?
What's the method?
You know the method. It's a 90.
No, what is the
method? All corners down here are how many degrees? 90. It's a 90. So you need to find very easy. Minus. Shafia, stop crying, come. Little bit you cry. Never mind, just do je. Can. I also cry sometimes. When my mother scold me, I also cry. Putra, you also cry, right? Mother scold you cry, right? No, you laugh. Alamak. Well done, Mr. Putra. Come on. Shafia, this one easy lah, Shafia. This is 90 degrees. 90 minus 28, you get 62. Okay, 62. Well done. Okay, you must... okay, let's see. Missing number, never mind on it. Multiple, I think, I hope you all... We go to the next one. Okay, this is row 6. Okay, we are going to ask you to do number 3. This type sums ever come up with PSLE, What's the smallest 5-digit odd number? Odd ends with 13579. Smallest, Cannot start with 0. All right, but I think you have given a very big number. Shafia, that is not an odd number. That was even number, Shafia. Putra, you have given a very big number. Let us form the smallest number. Okay, Shafia has formed the smallest number. Okay, we take her answer as the smallest number. Her answer is, so she says, smallest number must be, the beginning here must be smallest lah. Then the next smallest is here. No. Actually, smallest must be 0, right? Okay, we just do like that. 0, 3, 5, 7, 8. But you know you cannot start at 0. So we shift this one here. Becomes 3, 0, 5, 7, 8. Can you see, Shafia, this is still smaller than yours? But you cannot have an even number. So just switch down here. With the nearest odd number to the end, you get 3, 0, 5, 8, 7. This is 30,587. Okay, so remember, you want smallest number, don't look at odd first. Create a smallest number first. Okay, you want to start 0, start 0 first. Then later rearrange. And then if this is not odd, now then you change it and make it odd. Okay, we give you another number again. Okay, you all try this number. Okay, we want you to make the smallest odd number lah. Okay, here we go. 1, 0, 9, 6, 2. Can you make the smallest odd number, please? Smallest odd number. And go. Not this one, the one below. Well done, Miss Shafia. Well done. What about Kashril? You arrange, make the smallest digit in front first. Yes, well done, both of you got it. So if I arrange as according to small to big, like that. But you know that you cannot start with 0, so shift the 0 in. So well done. It's 10269. Well done. Okay, now you try, not the next one. We do not want to do the next one. Wait. Sorry. These two, 9 and 10, please. How many thirds are there in 2 holes? Well done, Putra. What about Miss Shafia? 1 whole pizza, another whole pizza, Shafia. How many thirds can you find in 1 pizza? Oh, Mercedes. You know Mercedes brand or Mitsubishi brand? Just let us see. Or Olympics. No. Olympics not yet. Let us see now. Let us see. We look at this. Okay, we try Mercedes. The logo. Can you see the logo here? This is 1/3 by 1/3 by 1/3. Can you see now? 1/3. And it's similar to Mitsubishi. I think so. Is it correct? Yeah, Mitsubishi is also like 1/3. If you put a circle there. Anyway, okay, sometimes my mind will be thinking of other things. Okay, so down here will be 3 lah, 6. If you do not know how, if you do not know how to do this, how? Very simple. How to write 1/3? 1/3. So two holes here, just divide like that. Now you already learned, right, how to do this one. Put 2/1 divided by 1/3. And then you take 2/1 times 3/1. You do the flip. 2 times 3, you get 6. Answer is 6. Okay, next one, please. Number 10, please. Number 10. Number 10, we got the answer.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, your answer is correct. Well done. Okay, that means you are getting better and better lah. Okay. We are also waiting for the rest to get better and better. Let us see. Yeah, you can do the next one. Okay. So Shafia can do now. Question number 10. Come on, Shafia. Come on, Shafia. Come on. Keep looking around. Is there a ghost of ada hantu eh? I so takut hantu lah. She's still turning back. Okay, Shafia, just question 10, Shafia. And there is question number 10. If you're not so sure how to do this, just divide this by 4. 13 divided by 4. What's the answer? 13 divided by 4. Come on, come on, come on. 13 divided by 4. See, I can get 12. Yes, 12 is correct. Put a 3 on top. And then remainder is 1.
There's another method.
Okay, so method. Okay, you show us the method in a moment. In a moment. This one now, 3 holes. So 3 holes. Remainder 1. Divisor is 4. Like that. Okay, what's your other method? How do you do? Can you explain to us? I will erase this. Okay. Show us, please.
It's just like you just put 13, then 4. Then
Okay.
speed it up. Then you take the nearest and just put like this.
Okay. So the balance is 1, is it?
And just minus.
Okay. Okay, means well done. So I just rewrite what Putra says. Putra says this one you can split to 12 plus 1 lah, over 4, something like that. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then you got the 1 balance. Yeah, it's very fast actually. Congratulations, you came out this method yourself. Okay, we will send a recommendation for you to be given an award in your school. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, but not this one. Let us move to the next question. No line of symmetry. Okay, this one now. You must be able to do this. This is basic problem sums. Okay, this one is quite tough. Why they give? Are you sure this is a P4 question? Yeah. This is number 13. Wow, this is a little bit killer question from primary 4. Okay, don't do this. This is a primary 4, CA2. Yeah, it's a killer question. This actually is a question that can come up P5, P6, but we won't do this yet. There's 2 ways of doing this. This one is called guess and check. The other one, yeah, I'm not going to explain yet. Okay, another time. Okay, let me see this one now. Okay, this one, okay. It's also quite tough, but aduh.
Sure.
Yes.
Is it like 25 times 4, then 13 times 4, then you get the answer, then you plus.
Cannot do that. You must draw a model actually. For this one, draw a model, but the model is a little bit complex. I'm surprised that you see this. Which school is this? Their problem sum with the first problem sum is really tough. So this is Rosyth. Second problem sum is also, that means the students in the school, for them, this is a little bit challenging. Their teachers are trained this. Okay, I tell you what, we will not do the problem sums here because I want to go through simpler ones. That one we can go through at another time. Okay, because it takes a long time to explain. Okay, this one. Question 9, Dora. Question 9. Okay, but you must write it like $. Yeah, I mean your answer is correct. I cannot mark you wrong for this one. I cannot mark you wrong. But you see down here dollars, they don't write it like that. They don't write it like that. It's 11.9. So for dollars and cents, we need to write the 90. You need to put that. Yes. So Miss Shafia can do
Cannot
not?
correct.
Yes, well done. Shafia, I think distracted. Okay. I think today will be the last session for this class. I think I might not want to continue this class, but I'll tell you, but I will get a replacement class for this one. Okay. So down here you borrow, you get 7, 10, 9 over here. You're right. So is Allahu Akbar. I go minus your answer. Why did I do such a crazy thing? You see, I'm distracted. When you are distracted, your mind thinks that you're doing the right thing, but actually you're doing the silly things. Be careful. So you must try your best to focus. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1. 6, 10. Well done. Shafia, you are doing not? Shafia, you're not doing. I'm also tak syok. You do. Sorry. Okay, come, we try this one. Remember, you buy bundle is cheaper. You don't believe, you try to times by 4 and you compare the price. I hope you understand. Bundle normally is cheaper. Bundle mixed together, it sell you a lot. Normally it's cheaper. Almost there. You made a slight error. Putra. Slight error. Very close to the answer. How many bundles must buy? You buy one bundle of 4, another bundle of 4, and then you buy one, right? So this one is 825 plus 825. And then plus 225. Because they want a least amount, huh? Then you plus, you get 75 down here, you know. Down here you get 1875. But first of all, you have to understand why we must use the bundle. I hope you understand. Okay, if you don't understand, we try. If you buy 4 pens, you don't buy bundle. Let's say you take one by one by one. They count one by one by one. 225 times how much? Times 4. You will get $9. You know. Yeah, at times I'll get $9. 5 times 4, 20. 2 times 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Can you see it's $9? So you don't buy one by one, no, one by one, you rugi. You buy 4, 4, 1. Cheaper. 825, 825, and 225. It's 1875. Okay? Move on. We got another 30 minutes left. Can we try, son? I think this is not as difficult as the earlier one. Bought some rice and sugar. I don't know why she go and put the mix, the sugar and rice inside one bag. Okay, they ask you what is the weight of these bags lah. That's what they're asking you. Funny You mix the rice and sugar, it become sweet sugar. No, not 30. Okay, first of all, down here, this is the big bag lah. Inside one bag, down here lah, let's say you have one part, one container, they put sugar. Another one rice lah. Let's say there's a compartment lah. One rice and one is sugar, okay? And then what? Then down here rice. So this bag is a special bag, you imagine. You put the rice inside here, you put the sugar inside here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So one bag, what's the weight of one bag? You must plus lah. 3.5 plus 2 is 5.5, you know. 5.5 kg. And she has 6 bags. So take six of these bags. Take 5.5 times 6 lah. You will get your answer. Anybody? You don't know, you must write like that lah. 5.5 times 6. You try. But you understand the question, I hope. I hope you get the question. Well done, Putra. Sorry, oops. Sorry, Maaf. Don't forgive me. Shafia can do not. Shafia looking at something else. I don't know what she's doing. When I call her, she'll say 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 6, 30 plus 3, 33. Now you find there's one space after the dot, one space after the dot. 33 kg. Okay, I'll be moving to the next one. Alamak, cannot see the question now. Why they put like that? Dah berat these people. Okay, tak apa. We do this as it do. Timing. Ellen took Abbas. If you need to write notes for this one or draw, please do so, okay? Elton, not Ellen, Elton. Okay. They're asking you for the time here. The, the journey here to the house. You can draw things like that. 22 minutes long. So they ask you, what time did she go up the bus here? And then the party now, 1 hour 45. 1 hour 45 minutes. And the time after the party, the time is 16:30. 16:30 is 4:30. The same as 4:30, yeah. You have to go backwards, then you get. Cannot. Don't understand. Okay. Elton is at the bus stop. We do not know what time. He take the bus. The bus take 22 minutes to reach the friend's house. Then at the friend's house, he went for the party. Party lasted 1 hour 45 minutes. At the end of the party, the time is 16:30, which is 4:30 in the afternoon. So they ask you, what time did Elton go up the bus? What time you go up the bus? So you must go backwards. Backwards is 16:30. You can minus now. Okay, some teachers say don't minus like this. Okay, but you can minus this way. Just be careful, eh? Can Putra, you know how to minus? Minus. So how to minus? When you want to minus this way, remember you borrow, you cancel 1 hour, right? You have 15 here. Don't put the 1 here. Cannot put the 1 here. Why? Must plus 60 minutes. Otherwise, you write 130. So once you do like very messy, right? So we rewrite. We rewrite how? I use another color now. I rewrite down here. So now I write 15. Say why 15 not 16? There's no, we borrowed 1 hour. Right? We borrowed 1 hour, now become 15. Then 60 plus 30 is 90. We put the 90 here like that. Now we can minus 1 hour 45. Can you see? Okay, what? You can minus. Okay, you get 45. Okay, 45 and 14:45. Okay, the answer is 14:45. But now we need to minus what? The 22 minutes. So minus 22. You get 3, 2, 14:23. What is 14:23? Is 2:23 in the PM, in the afternoon. So you want to use this method? Can, but remember, you need to write again. You see down here? I borrow 1 hour, I plus 60. I don't put the 1 here. Then I rewrite. 60 plus 30, 90. I write 90 down here. I write it all over again, and now I minus. Otherwise, get confused. So some P6 will say, my teacher said cannot do like this. Yes, but if you rewrite again like that, you can use. Okay? You all look tired already, Tired, are you all tired? Okay, now. No. They did not the technical.
Oh,
I think probably the Singtel is down.
oh, Singtel.
Okay, they want you to find what's the area of P. Think. What's the area of P? Come on, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Ken? You must find out this 36 is equal to how many breath. You see down here? This is also 36, no? Look carefully. How many breath is this? Okay. Down here to here is 36. It's also 36, right? You see? This is the length of one is 36, right? So this one is also 136. You divide by 4, you can find out what is the breadth. 36 divided by 4, you get 9. 9. 9 is the breadth. 9 is the breadth. 9 is the breadth. So what's the area of P? 36 times 9. This is 36. The breadth is 9. Come on. You can do mentally. We challenge mentally. We do mentally. 36 times 9. Yeah, anyone. 36 times 9. Take 36 times 10 minus 36. 36 times 10, then you minus 36. Anyone? Well done, Shafia. 36 times 10 is 360. Minus 36, you get 324. If you can do it mentally, alhamdulillah, no problem. But these are things we try to do as a game, okay? Especially when your mother or father go to the supermarket, you try to calculate mentally. Very, very important.
Sure.
Eh? Yeah.
Oh, you write minus.
What?
You write minus. Supposed to be
Minus.
times.
36 times 10 is 360. Then you must minus 36. Just the way he talk, as if he wants to scold the teacher. It's not good. It's not good to do that. Okay, come. We try the next one. Very easy, very easy. Sorry. This thing is. Go, Putra, go. Please go. Come on, Shafia, this is time to catch up. Naris, time to catch up. You just need to times me. Very easy. Everyone turn off their video. Come on, come on, come on. This class, the cooperation not so great. I'm going to cancel the class. This class. Into this, the last lesson of this class. Okay. Well done, Shafia. Congratulations. So let us see. You try this one, but maybe you can see. No, I cannot see clearly. We try this one now. Problem sums. You need to draw model. You need to draw model.
Okay, this one plus.
It's not any plus. You got to draw the model.
There is time.
Then you can. It's not so simple as plus, minus, times. You got to draw the model. Okay, we give you 2 minutes to draw the model. Yeah, I will help in drawing the model, okay? So we read sentence by sentence. Bob 3 times Anna. Stamps as Anna. So I'm looking for keywords here. What are the keywords? Bob.
Okay, what is the bracket?
Sorry?
Bracket.
Bracket. What's the bracket?
Okay.
Oh, bracket. This is the marks. Here, 3 marks.
Oh.
Okay, down here. Bob 3 times Anna. So Anna must have 1. And then Bob has 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, this is Bob. So again, Bob has 1. Sorry, Anna has 1, Bob has 3. All together is 820. You can find out how much Anna get. What? Find out how much Anna get. Then Anna gets some more 2, 3, 4 from Bob. So step 1, 820 divided by 4. Can you do it mentally now? I show you how to do mentally. I think you all know how to do mentally, right? Take the 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 cannot divide by 4, put a 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Can you see how I do? Okay, never mind. As you go further, you might be able to. So why am I showing you this? It saves a lot of time, man. See, 8 divided by 4, I get 2. 2 I divide by 4.
To do the long.
Yeah.
To do the longest.
Long method, yeah. 2 divided by 4, you cannot. 20 divided by 4, you get 5. So you must, but some students will do this. 8 divided by 4, I get 2. 20 divided by 4, I get 5. Then you put 25. This one is wrong. You must go one by one, one number by one number. So if the number cannot divide, you must put 0. Okay, so now what next? So this is 1 is 205. Then Bob gave 234 to Anna. Now you must plus 234 to Anna lah. So Anna got how much? 205 plus 234 lah. Down here. Plus 234. Okay. So you get 4, 3, 9. 439. Okay, you try the next one. You try the next one. We have 12 minutes left of this last lesson. Yeah. You try.
Morocco.
Morocco, yes.
Oh,
Just now I was eating this. And that's my dinner. These are the leftovers from grapes. Okay. Try lah, because normally for problem sum, yeah, we have to spend more time on problem sums. Are we okay? Got story? Aduh. Did I tell you the elephant story, Ray? To Putra? Shafia? I told you. No, okay, so someone's asking got story here. Okay, I just pause for a while. Okay, this is a true story. How I told already. I told already. No, okay, this is the story of how they train the wild elephants. Okay, so you can check this out for yourself. Okay, whatever I tell you normally of such things, they are not lies. Because when I was young, some adults, when I asked them, is it true? They tell me it's true, and then they made fun of me. It's not true. So I told myself, when I become an adult, I'm not going to tell lies to children. Otherwise, you believe in nonsense. Eh? So this is true. See what is true? How they train the wild elephants. So down here we go. Elephants. Rope. So we look elephant down here. Let me see. Elephant. The one around the neck. If you check, some elephants they have the rope around the neck. Let me see now. What was it I searched for? Elephant rope.
it's like around the neck.
Rope. Wooden. Right. Okay, let us see. Maybe it's not here. Training. Wait, you sure you want me to tell you this? Okay, let's see. Elephant. Rope around neck. Yeah, rope neck. I think you're right. Rope neck.
See?
Let's see. Okay, now let us look at this one. Can you see? There's a rope down here, right? But this rope now, we can't see the wood. Some of them you can see a wood. This one down here. Can you see? Can you see this is a rope down here? You know, down here they put a piece of wood actually. Sometimes they might not even put the wood, they just put the rope. So why do they do this? You see, when the elephant is a baby, is wild, it's in the jungle. They catch the baby. Then they will put a metal chain around the baby's neck. So when you say baby is like this lah. Okay, so they will put a metal chain around the neck, and then but down here they put chain around down here, right? Okay, normally they will put around the neck, and then they will connect this chain to a iron nail, and they will whack it in the ground. And for 3 months, they've done experiments. 3 months, the baby will pull. After a while, you will give up. You know why you give up? Because you cannot escape. When the baby elephant give up after 3 months, what do? They will do this lah. They will put the rope around. They will change the metal chain to a rope. They will change the iron nail with a stick. And then the elephant will go very, very big. But in the mind of the elephant, what happens? In the mind of the elephant, it cannot escape. He believes it cannot escape. Now, this is true of many of the students, no? They believe mathematics, I cannot do. You're just like the elephant who's stuck now. You have a rope around the neck. You must remove that rope. You must remove that chain. You can escape. You got very scary eyes, Shafia. Anyway, see, Shafia is showing the eyeliner. Okay. But anyway, this elephant now, you understand this is called conditioning, no? So if you want to do well in maths, you have to break that rope. You have to cut the rope. See how I cut? First of all, you got to believe you can succeed. Because the elephant, no matter how big, you know elephant can kill human beings now. You all know that? You know, I do not know whether you all know. Okay.
I know.
You know, in the olden days, they used elephants in war, you know. In war. You see, they use an elephant in war down here, see? They will step on the people, you know, and people will die. This is real, no? In the olden days, it's like that. But it's a slow way. But they will sit on an elephant, the elephant will step on things, will break things, and yeah. So elephants are very, very powerful. How can the animal that's so powerful now think is very weak? Same thing like you have a very powerful brain. But in your mind, if you feel like, I cannot,
But
you are just like the elephant.
so why the elephant of mine?
What? What?
Why is the elephant scared of mine?
Mice? I do not know whether it's only cartoons. I think it was step on the mouse. Are you sure elephant is scared of mouse? Okay, let us check. You must check this out now, whether it's true or not. Okay, I don't think it's true lah. Okay, elephants scared of mice? You see, I don't know whether it's true or not. Let's see if it is true. Elephants are startled by things that move around them fast. So if the mouse moves slow, they're not scared. They're not like human beings. But if something moves very fast, they get confused. Just like you have seen the cats, right? The cats scared of cucumber, right? You have seen that video? Never seen the video before. Okay, I will just, you've never seen this one? Okay, I'll just show you. This one now, there's so many different type of compilation. You see, they put it suddenly, you know. They put the cucumber behind them slowly. So they get shocked, you see. You can try it on your cat if you want to. Dia dah terperanjat je. Anyway. So are they scared of cucumbers? If you bring a cucumber to them, maybe they might not. But suddenly, let's say suddenly, Shafia's sister just stand behind Shafia. Shafia turn around, she'll scream. Is she afraid of her sister? No, she's shocked. She's just shocked.
Sure.
Yeah.
How about we try that on Righty?
What? You what?
Try that on Righty.
Try that on Righty.
Righty.
We can try that on Righty, or you can try it on your cat. Those of you who got cats, you can try it on your cat. Okay, come, we do this last question. Come on, last question. Okay, we do one last question, okay? Okay, we got a first answer from somebody. And that body is Kashriel. He says it's 333. Sun. Okay, let us see first. First of all, Winnie got $564. She spent 1.6. So if I draw a model, the model is what? We got 6 parts here. So the whole thing is 564, dollars. You want to find what's one part, you must divide by 6. So 564 divided by 6. You must divide and find out. 54, you get 9. Correct? Minus, you get 2. Bring down, you get 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4, right? Hold on. So that means 1/6 is 24. Is what? 94, 1/6, yes, 94. Allah Akbar. Hold on. This is $94. So she spent $94 on books and another 158 on groceries. So you must minus 56 minus 94 minus 158. 564, sorry. 564 minus 94 minus 158. And you will minus and you will get the answer to be, let me see, $312. Don't forget the dollar sign. Okay. All right. Okay, then we'll catch up again. All right. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.